So three circles with their centers on line segment PQ are tangent at point P, R, and Q, where point R lies on line segment what PQ. Okay, so quantity A, the circumference of the largest circle. The largest circle is this bigger circle, and quantity B, the sum of the circumference of the two smaller circles. Now, by observation, the circumference of the last circle will actually be the sum of the circumference of the two other circles, which implies that the two quantities would be equal. But how do I conclude that the two quantities will be equal until I solved it? Okay, so the first thing we now need to do is to split it one after the other. So let me call this quantity A. So for quantity A, we can say that the circumference of the large circle, let it be C subscript L, right? And of course, the circumference of any circle is 2 pi R, right? The circumference of any circle is basically the same thing as the perimeter of the circle. So circumference of the large circle will be 2 pi 2 pi R L. All right, yes, that's the circumference of the large circle. And so if we want to write it in terms of diameter, we know that D is 2R, so R is D over 2. So 2 pi R L can be written as 2 pi that is to bracket D L over over 2. So this one can be written as pi D L, right? So that is the circumference of the large circle. All right, that's the formula. So let's move on to quantity B. Quantity B, the sum of the circumference of the two smaller circles. So there are two smaller circles here. This circle here, let's say the diameter of this one be no, let me put it this way. Let's call this one D medium, diameter of medium, and let's call this one diameter of small. Okay, so that will now be, so the sum of the circumference, all right, will be C, which will now be circumference of the of the medium circle plus circumference of the of the small circle. So the circumference of the medium circle, when if we are writing it with respect to to diameter, that will be pi D medium circle plus pi D small circle. All right, so if you factor out the pi, we have pi into bracket diameter of medium circle plus diameter of the small circle. All right, but we need to understand that the diameter of the large circle is as a result of the diameter of the medium circle plus the diameter of the small circle. So in that case, this will now give us pi. So wherever we see dm plus ds, we place it with d L. So which is pi dl. So this is pi dl, this is pi dl. So by observation, like I said earlier on, the two quantities are equal. So the correct option is option here, which is okay. This can be taken to be option C. So this is pi pi dl, and this is also pi dl. All right, so that is that about that. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.